Hello.
Yes.
Yes, madam, I can see.
Okay. So, sir, my topic is there any way we can open assign only Lightning user interface to the user? So, in Salesforce, we have seen the option like we can switch from Salesforce Lightning to Salesforce Classic anytime by clicking this button C in this image, switch to Classic and switch to Lightning. So we can switch like in this form from Classic to Lightning. But if we want only a specific user to assign for that particular Lightning user interface, means that he is not able to, that user is not able to switch to Classic, means he have only the Lightning user interface access. So for that, what we have to do, we have to hide the hide the checkbox, like the checkbox name is hide switch to Salesforce classes. So what are the steps? The first, whenever you want to hide, then you cannot hide switch to Salesforce Classic option for any standard profile like standard use or system admin. So how you can hide then you have to use only custom profiles. So you have if suppose you have created any custom profile by then after that creating that custom profile, you have to follow the simple steps to hide this feature for continuing with the Salesforce Lightning experience. So what are the steps? The first step is to click on setup. Then now click on manage users under administrator. So this is in under administration manage users. After clicking this, now click on profiles. So when we click on profiles, so these are all the custom profiles. Which are the profiles which is custom? In that profile only we can hide this access. Not only for but we can't do this for standard Salesforce profiles. It is only applicable for custom profiles. So select any one of the custom profile, whatever you want. So for that particular profile user. So after selecting this, then on the profile edit page, under administrative permissions label, select the checkbox hide option to switch to Salesforce classes, this checkbox. Then after selecting this checkbox, again we have to enable one more checkbox like Lightning experience user is mandatory. Select this also and save the changes so that we that user particularly see the Lightning experience user. So this two checkbox will be checked so that only that user profile will see the Lightning option and the Classic option will hidden. After that, the final words is to make Lightning as the only experience for some of the users, then hide the option to switch to Salesforce classes, and this features is introduced in summer 17. So thank you, sir. That's it.
Yeah, thanks, ma'am. Your presentation is good, madam. All the step by step.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thanks, ma'am. Yeah, thanks.
Anyone have doubt? Any questions? Hello.
No, madam.
Okay.
Excellent, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thanks, everyone. We'll connect tomorrow then.